Nothing will happen to you. Nothing will happen. Sleep peacefully.
Doctor, come fast!
Don't worry. Nothing will happen to you.
Yes, doctor. Yes, please come fast. Thank you. Okay, please.
Doctor, I won't wait here. Shouldn't I see you are doing her treatment or wasting time? She's my wife. I won't wait here at all. I'm telling you this.
Look, Mr. Mehta, we are doing our work only. Please let us work.
Doctor,
No, I'm not
come
waiting
fast!
here. I'm telling you.
Come fast, doctor. The patient.
It's a miracle.
What happened, doctor?
Your wife is becoming normal. She's responding well to the treatment.
Thank you. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you. Don't thank me, but her. Everything is happening due to her.
Do you feel good?
Dear child, the Almighty has sent you. I will never forget your favor. Always be happy, dear.
You too. Do you feel good now?
Doctor,
Huh?
who is this girl?
No, we don't know who she is. Some people had brought her from a nearby forest. And she was bleeding a lot back then, at the time. She could be operated due to the village people only. It's true that we saved her, but she has lost her memory. And she doesn't remember anything now.
Forget me if you can, Chaya. I made a mistake. I'm hiding a lot from you. From you and Anu, but
What can I even do?
you could never accept that our daughter is no more. On top of that, our business loss. I decided that we will settle abroad. I decided to do your treatment abroad. New country, new people. I thought old wounds will heal if you mingle with new people. You might forget old memories. But some wounds stay with you forever. People leave your life and give you wounds forever. You didn't change even after going abroad.
We did a lot of things.
I had given up all the hopes, Chaya.
I had given up. I was shattered.
But what happened that day? That gave me a new hope. That's why I spoke to the doctor and took her with us abroad. I told no one, not even Ritesh. Even though I had told the doctor to find out her family. But still, I had made a decision. If someone comes looking for her, then it's fine. But we will not go looking for them. Chaya, it was just for you, just for you.
I wanted you like your old self again. And she again revived that dead hope. I fell for that, Chaya. Once we came back to India, that time she only took care of you. She had become your mother. You started recovering fast. I wanted that only.
Uncle? That, shall I ask something? This, the girl, for how long will she stay with us?
Forever. You might have a question about who she is, right?
Yes, I mean,
Okay, you'll find out. Find out everything. And once you find out, keep it in your mind forever. Keep it in here, okay?
no,
Don't tell anyone. Otherwise, you will have to eat the laddu.
no need. I will leave.
Chaya, I tried to look for that girl's family a lot, but I don't know who she was. I feel that she has no one in this world. I feel that she is an orphan.
Almighty, what is this? She's a nice and decent girl, and she has no one.
That's why Almighty sent her to us.
Huh?
Yes, Chaya. She came to our house with the blessings of Almighty. It's about time to make her part of this family. It's time to accept her. It's time to give her a new identity. Anu dear.
Dad,
I can understand your condition.
And henceforth, you won't have to laugh like this. Whenever you try to remember something like this by standing in front of the mirror, that time my heart breaks. I feel very stressed. You want to know who you really are, right?
Yes, Dad.
Okay, listen. Dear, 2 months ago, you and Chaya suffered a very big accident. The doctor was trying to save Chaya a lot. Her chances of survival were very less. That time you were giving her courage by sitting near her. Actually, you had recovered by then, but you had lost your memory since your head was injured. And I was requesting the doctor to do anything but to bring your memory back. I told them to. Let me speak to you so that you remember. But the doctor refused. They told me your head was severely injured. If you will take more stress, then your health will become more serious. And he warned me to not force you in any way to think about your past in any manner. They told me it will be lethal to your life. It will be dangerous for you. I don't know for what crime is the Almighty punishing me in this way. On one hand, Chaya was on the deathbed, and on the other hand, you were not recognizing me at all. I had started to feel like ending my own life right then. Why should I live?
Dad, I'm not blaming you, but I'm trying to find myself. I really don't remember anything, Dad.
Actually, I was not going to tell you this, but you don't see your mother's condition.
My mom?
Yes, Chaya is your mother. You are my daughter only. Anushka Jayanti Mehta.
I don't remember anything, Dad. I don't remember anything, but...
But that is the truth. Believe me, please. Hand it to him. Give it. Come on. It's the offer to the Almighty. Take it. She's my daughter. Anu and Chaya have both returned safely home. Give it. Give it. Give it to them. Give it.
Welcome home.
Do you remember anything? It's good. It's Almighty's blessing.
Now give it to Mom. Give it to Mom. She's behind you. Come on. Give it to her.
Do you remember anything? Sister Anu, do you remember anything?
Hey, don't ask her anything. Anu dear, don't take stress. What did the doctor tell you? Huh? She doesn't remember. But can the truth remain hidden? You were my daughter. She is and will always be.
Yes, Dad. I am Anushka Jayanti Mehta. Your daughter.
What happened? Why do you look so restless?
It's nothing. When did you wake up?
I was awake anyway. I wasn't able to sleep ever since I saw that dream. But I have been seeing you since some time back. Why are you so worried? You were standing near that window for a long time. Then you sat with the photo. I felt that you will wake me up and tell me something. You will argue with me. But no. What for?
What for? It's nothing.
Is it something about Anu? You had inquired about her family? Huh? So you lied to me all along? Huh? You lied to me repeatedly even after I asked you about it. You didn't look for her family. It means what I saw in my dream was true. Tomorrow, anyone will come and tell the truth to Anu. Then what will happen? Yes? No, that's wrong. It's wrong to hide all that. You go to her right now and tell her the truth.
Chaya, listen to me. First, try to understand me.
No. I don't want to listen to you.
It's nothing like you are thinking.
No, it's exactly how I'm thinking. You first listen to me. You go and tell Anu everything right now. Otherwise, I will go.
Wait. Why are you going now? I will go and tell her everything. I will go and tell her everything right now. I will tell her we aren't her parents. Then we will let her go. Let her find her family and her house. Let her roam everywhere. And once she is gone forever, then you can stay here alone forever. Chaya, you were shattered ever since our daughter passed away. And I was hurt looking at you. I used to always feel that you will speak someday, but no. Since the last 25 years, I was looking for life in your eyes. You were living, but you weren't alive. I have lived alone for 25 years without you. I thought you will handle it. But no. I thought that I will wake up tomorrow morning with your cup of tea. But that never happened. You never recovered from that shock, Chaya. But you started to recover due to that girl. You gave her motherly love. And she loved you like your own daughter. She also had no one. She came to our house. And Chaya, one needs to be lucky to have a daughter. But I was not lucky to have that. Almighty took that girl away from us. And today, I will break away Anu from me today by speaking the truth. Forever. I was not even ready to get Anu married so that she doesn't go away from here. But today I will tell her that she is not our daughter and she is not related to this house. I'm ready to do this for you, Chaya.
No. Nothing as such will happen now. I won't let anything happen which will hurt you. I will hold a grip over myself. I will hold myself together. My whole life is for you.
You want to tell her everything, right? All right. I will tell her. I will tell her everything because of your wish. But keep one thing in mind, Chaya. You won't be able to see my face from tomorrow. Once Anu finds out the truth, everything will be over and I cannot take that shock anymore, Chaya. Keep that in mind.
No, don't say that. Listen to me at least. Don't talk like that.
What's there to talk? If you are stubborn, then I also have my opinion, right?
Yes, I was wrong. Listen to me at least.
No, Chaya. Now I won't listen to anyone. I will go and tell her the truth. Till now everything happened as per your wish, right? Let it happen in future too.
No, don't get so angry. I made a mistake.
No, I will go and tell her everything.
it.